the twist off.
You got it.
Need help with the twisting it off part.
There you go. Alright, yep. Can you get it? Get in there. All right. Grab it. All right, pull that off. Then what you do now? Light, pull it. There you go. Now look, not that one. It's gonna be this one. Twist and pull. Boom. Now it should pop out. Alright. Pull at the bottom. You're gonna have to like kinda, use your almost, come on. Don't pull it. There you go. Right there. Not that one, that's the old one. Here, it's the new one. There you go. Yeah. Yep. Put it in there. Make sure it's all the way down. Yep. Look. You see? Where this is at?
Yeah.
You see how I got the little grooves for it to go in there?
Yeah.
Where it go all the way in and you can twist it so it locks. Here, look, let me show you.
I see it and I get it. It's just like, it's weird. It's hard to do.
Boom. Now you twist that like that. All right. Now you guide that back through. Yep. Look on the other side. You gotta line the holes up. There you go. Nope. Yep. The one on the inside first. Twist, 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 twist. 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 There you go. Yep. Hold on, wait. Let me make sure. Let me go back in and make sure I got this twisted all the way tight. That's pretty tight. Good job. Twist, twist, twist. See? All right. Now, Let's see.